Hello Miss Ellie, my name is Diva. Today I'm going to show you how to make an ondel doll. Now let's get started. The first thing that we need is glue, shuttlecock, pens, beads, marker, scissors, and origami paper. Now let's get started on making the ondel doll. So you need to trace the shuttlecock on the origami paper and then use the marker so you can trace it. And then cut it so it can be just for the ondel. And be careful using the scissors. And when you're done, it may look like this. And use different colors so it can be neat and pretty. After we're done making the ondel dress, we need to make the head decoration. Use pens and beads so you can make the decoration pretty. And be careful using the pens, you don't want to get hurt. Put it in here. Put another one. If you want to make more decoration, use smaller pens. They only have big pens, so it doesn't actually go through. Now I'll put another one here. Be careful. So I'm going to make the head decoration now. So yeah, and ta-da, it may look like this. If you want to make it more neat and pretty, make a face. Don't forget, make a smiling face so you can smile and be happy. Ta-da! My ondel is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye and